Hello everyone, so I'm back to work some more on the Slowbot game, the game that I'm working on for Ludum Dare 39. So I had some ideas last night before I went to bed, thinking about having like 3 different colored lights. Like the game starts out and you're in total darkness, except for maybe your robot lenses or something. Then as you collect light bulbs, then the room lights up. But what I got to figure out how to do is to see if there's a way. Wow, that's weird. To see if there's a way to dynamically change change the ambient lighting. I don't know if that's possible or not. So I also want to add my little power meter, and he's going to get slower as he gets closer to 0. So I think the first easiest thing to add is going to scripts, go into player, and make the move speed like based on the health. I don't know why it keeps yelling about that. It's really annoying. Vect move. So the power, this is odd. I want to subtract off the magnitude, power walk decay, time delta time. Where do I multiply the speed? Oh, here it is. Back move. F speed. So I'm going to change F speed to be 5 minus. Now I want to make the minimum 1. So it's going to be 4 times. So I want it to be 0. Yeah. So I want it to be F power divided by F max power. Times 4F. So it's going to give me a number between 5 and 1 based on how much power you have. So hopefully it'll feel like a real like robot type thing losing power. Oh, this is kind of slow. Oh wow, it's already really slow. Maybe it's getting faster. Maybe it's backwards. I could have something with the music, the sound, and I think it is getting faster. So I got this backwards. So really I should do 1 plus power over max power. So that should be 1. Yeah, okay, that's right. That'll give me a number. A number between 1F. I think I might do like 8F instead. Then when you pick up the recharge, then you're going to burst back with another burst of speed. I think that'd be pretty cool. So now I'm zippity along. But yeah, it's really draining my power now. So really, the power decay, I need to get rid of that move magnitude. The power decay needs to be constant. Wow, this is really slow. Whoa, look at that. Power walk decay. Whoa, oh, that's what I was using to test. So natural decay is 0.2. So we want to decay like 0.5 a second. Decay 1 unit every 2 seconds if you're walking. So you're fast. If you're just standing idle, then it will eventually decay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So decays one per every 5 seconds idle, and it decays once every 2 seconds if you're moving around. So I think the next thing I want to add is the collectibles. So they're going to be like little light bulbs. I should call them keys or something, just because keys is more natural. I don't want to call it light. That'd be way too confusing. I think I'm going to call it keys. So here's a key. Going to add physics. I think I'm going to use a sphere collider with 1 radius. Go back into 3D view. 0, 0, 0. I don't know if I want to go ahead and model this guy. Might be give me a better idea. Oh yeah, I think I want to keep this. If I set the radius to 1, that'll be 2 units. So let's go into Blendar. I'm gonna model a light bulb. I think this is gonna be cool if I can have 3 light bulbs with different colors. Then once you get all the colors, then we'll make the room white. There'll be an RG and a B. So light bulb, incandescent light bulb. So I'm not using this image. I'm just using this image to model. Save image as projects, Slowbot. Slowbot, assets, models. I'm going to create a new folder called guide. I'm doing this on my other monitor. Save. One 5. So I think I can use this. GZ1. So I'm going to go in background images, add, and Add in, oh no. Open projects, Slowbot, and assets, models, guide. I need to scale this down. Yeah, this box really needs to scale 0.5. It's going to be GZ minus 0.5. It's going to be 1 by 1 by 1. I'm going to scale this down. Let's scale it down some more. Scale. Okay, that looks pretty darn good right there. Okay. So I'm gonna GZ scale. Do rope cuts. Let's do 2 to start out with. Scale. GZ scale. GZ. Whoa! Look at that. I did not want a subdivision surface. How did it add a subdivision surface like that? Okay. Okay, we're fine. GZ scale. Control R. Scale. Control R. Scale. Control R. Oops. GZ scale. R. GZ scale. R. Scale. Oops. Scale. R. Scale. And scale. Okay. Very simple light bulb. Select faces. Maybe I shouldn't. No, I think this will be fine. Select all faces. Shading smooth. Looks okay. I don't know how I'm going to do like the little wire inside. But I can do like the little grooves and everything. Default UV. I'm going to do this white colored. Just so I can change the color myself. So B, I'm going to do select through. Mesh, UV unwrap, project from view. No. UV unwrap, project from view bounds. Looks like it stretched it out a little bit. UV unwrap, project from view, scale this out. Why doesn't it just make it take the whole screen? Oh, it only did one. What? I selected the select through. I gotta do it again. Mesh, UV unwrap, project from view, scale. 3. Mesh, UV unwrap, project from view, scale. So now the tricky part is getting this one to align over the other one. But I can just like select all, then select these, then scale this one up and try to get it to overlap. That's pretty good right there. So I'm gonna do save as models key dot blend. Select all UVs, export UV layout, layout key, export UV layout, go into GIMP. I wish it would set the default to cycles. Why does it keep changing? There's I just made a dual eagles title graphic. So file, open, here's projects right here. Slowbot, assets, models, text layout key, add a layer, okay. I didn't make it 2048, I could have, but I don't know about the little wiry thing inside. I'm going to do that. But I do need to make everything grayscale. I do know that. So I think I want to pull this down a little bit. And edit, fill. Maybe pull it up a little bit. Wish there was a good way to add like a little circular thing here. Okay, edit. Be a place where Inkscape would be good. So like all this is going to be like hand drawn. Actually, I can do a grab the bottom portion here. Edit, fill. Get the very tippy bottom. Fill that with black. Edit, fill. And get this lighter color. And draw some lines. This is going to be kind of sloppy. Hey. Actually, I can copy this. Paste. Oh no. Okay. Wait, hold on. I want to select this, copy, and paste. It isn't perfect, but I think it's good enough. Now for the wiry thing inside. It's sad that I'm spent more time on the light bulb than the actual robot, but it's okay. So this goes down. This goes down. Kind of hard to see. Then there's like a thing in the middle. So really I should have like done like a 2-layered model, but yeah, I don't have time for that. This is going to be a quick job on the little wiries. Whoop, 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 whoop. Programmer art. Maybe I could do like circles or something. No, I don't know if that's any better or not. I don't think so. I just need to do a better job. Okay, there's the light bulb. File. Save as. Texture key. Save. File. Export as texture key.jpg. That's fine. I could do a PNG. I think I want to do a PNG. Texture key, PNG, export. So I want to open texture key, texture. But yeah, you're not going to see it because I'm using cycles. So I'm going to go back to. Yeah, this is going to look kind of funky. Oh well. I can always come back and, if I want to do a post-compo version, fix it. So use nodes, color, image texture, open, texture key. Still not displaying. Why isn't it displaying? I can see it there. So dark. Maybe I gotta set it here. Texture. Okay, there we go. It's not great, but it's something. Got the bottom and the top. There's the light bulb. File, save. I'm going to go ahead and close this. Go back to Unity. I think the next thing I want to work on is the battery meter. Because that's something I never did get around to, is like doing health bars, models, key. Now, did it get the texture? Doesn't look like. Why isn't it applying the texture? Models, key. Maybe it's because I don't have an animation assigned or something weird like that. Maybe because I'm not doing it in Blender render. Let's do Blender render. Blender render. So, texture. So maybe it only gets sucked into Unity if you do a Blender render. Type, image, open, texture key. Material, texture. Still not displaying here. Oh, maybe it only displays in the render. Oh, I don't see anything now. Wow. Whoa. Maybe I gotta get rid of the cycle stuff. I'm confused now. Let's get rid of cycles. Let's also get rid of shading. Always turn on normals, that helps. Shadeless. UV editing. Let's turn off the see-through. Texture. I don't understand why Texture key. There it goes. So I guess the lesson learned is always, if you're doing GIMP, if you're doing Unity, always do the view, V editing and everything using the Blender render. Even though that doesn't take advantage of your graphics card, which is nice, but I guess for it to get sucked into Blender maybe, or get sucked into Unity. Let's see if it applies it now. I really don't want to break that link between Blender. Here we go, Blender and Unity. So it isn't great, but it's something. You can see the little screwy part at the bottom, which actually matches up pretty good, I have to say. But the insides look kind of weird. So there's my key. So I'm going to pull... Maybe I should do a capsule collider. I don't know. Pull this up around the bulb. Just make it 0.5. That's fine. Key. I'm going to make a prefab out of the key. Then I'm going to go into scripts. Do I want a key script? Oh, man. Oh. Oh, man. I'm going to go into my level. And I need to set my other level back. Okay, it's... Oh no, I got to set in the level manager. Public int I level gets 0. Let's just make int I level. No, I need public. Makes it easier. Actually, I can just set it here. I level gets 0. Setup level. I level. So in my level, I'm going to have an R. Insert G. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna B. Save that. So in level manager, case R. Going to have I think I need like an array of lights or an array of for each level. I don't know if that should be like in a separate room array. Public bool light keys collected. Setup level. Keys collected gets a new bool. Is that how you do it? 3. And they're all false. So I need a public game object key prefab. So if it's R, game object G obj key. G obj key gets game object instantiate key prefab. I'm gonna grab all this. So set the parent, the name. So GOBJ key. So this is going to be key red. So I'm just going to access it by name. Wonder if I should have like separate. No, I don't want to do separate prefabs. That'll be. That'd be too confusing. So prefab, got the key. Gonna go ahead and delete the key. Put the key script. Did I make a key script? I don't have a key script yet. I think I'm gonna need a key script. If not, oh well. Prefabs, key, add. Always forget you can add a script this way too. I thought you could. Don't want a new scripts key. That's another way to add a script. It's probably easier than like trying to drag and drop and everything. Let's. So did I add the key to level manager? No, I didn't. Key prefab. Why am I still starting out up here? Did I not save? Level 0. Setup level I level. I level text. Why am I starting out up there? Level 0, level 1. This is level 0, this is level 1. Did I do this backwards? I think I did. I just did the rating backwards. I always forget about that. Oh, man. So this needs to be... Where did I specify 20 at? Sterline's length. So I'm going to do int I rows. I rows gets Sterline's length. So I need to change all of these, I think. Why? Oh, that's centering it up. I rows. Actually, I need like a generic position. Vector 3 or vector 3 pause gets new vector 3. So this needs to be I rows minus I times floor size minus 40. So all these need to be changed. Edit. Where's search and replace? View. Where's search and replace? Oh, find and replace. Place with pause. Okay, replace. Replace. Okay. Save. So now that should switch around the order of the rows so it goes from top to bottom instead of bottom to top. Okay, there we go. Let's see if we got a key. There's a key, yay! Oh, look at that. No, I fell through the world. Well, because I don't have a B or G. Oh, man. So I'm gonna do a set key color. I think I'm gonna pass in a color. Color.red. Can I do that? Should I use color 32.red? Color.red. GOBJ key color red. Private void set key color. Game object GOBJ key color C. GOBJ key dot, is it render? Dot can I do find, or I don't think I can do find here. Transform dot find key dot get component render dot color? No. Material dot color get C. So it's red now. I think for this first level, need to make it narrower. Crud. Hope it doesn't put a stupid tab in there. Okay, save that. So this is like the little tutorial level. So you can go this far. I wish it didn't put the floor on the other side, but that's okay. So there's one, the second one, and third one. I wish it would rotate. That's something I need to add. That'll be the first thing that I add to the key script. So update, do, rotate. So easy to add. Speed gets 90 degrees in a second. Transform dot rotate. Vector 3 dot up. F speed times time dot delta time. Is that all I need? I don't need to tell it like world or anything, I don't think. That looks pretty cool. So now I need a light. I'm going to drag my key prefab out here. Want to add a light, a point light. So I really can't tell what it looks like here. Just call it light. I can fool around with the intensity later. I think I may want to pull it up a little bit. Okay. So I'm gonna apply, get rid of this, go back in here, and I could have put this in the actual light, but script, but oh well. Can't believe I've only been doing this for 44 minutes. Seems like it's been a lot longer. Transform find light. Get component light. Dot. Can I do color? Let's see. There we go. I want to do like a pulsating. Whoa! Look at that. Why didn't it like that? Oh, supposed to change that to light. Yay. I think it needs to be more intense than that, though. If I can just find light. And it is red, that's good. Could go from like this, like from 5 to 1 to 5 to 1, 5 to 1, 5 to 1. So the key float light intensity. I need a way for it to know whether it's adding or subtracting. Okay, I think I know. Light intensity change. F light intensity change gets, say, 5. Do the whole thing in 1 second. So for F. Do update light intensity. Private void. Do update light intensity. Now, do I want to keep my own intensity value, or do I just want to try to access it on the object? Float F light, and there's no reason for me to keep a separate one, I don't think. Light L gets transform dot get component light intensity gets L dot intensity. There we go. F light intensity, add and assign F light intensity change times time dot delta time. If F light intensity is greater than 5, F light intensity change gets, I hate doing the negative. Now I got like multiple places where I got to change that. I need like a light intensity change magnitude. Const float intensity change magnitude gets for F. This will be intensity change magnitude This will be a minus intensity change magnitude. Else, if F light intensity is less than 1, then light intensity change gets intensity change magnitude. So yeah, I can speed it up or slow it down just by changing that one constant up there. No. Hey, it's glowing a little bit. Or maybe it isn't. Key. There's no light attached to key red. Oh. I know what I did wrong. Transform find light dot get component light. I think I want to change the floor graphic. Materials. Texture floor. Models, texture floor. Can I edit with GIMP? Show and explore. Edit with GIMP. Open with GIMP. Oh, there's Paint 3D. Huh. It's been in the news recently. Colors, colorize. Turn the saturation down, pull the lightness up a little bit. File, save. Actually, I should edit the texture floor there. File, let's go and close this. File, open, texture floor, color, colorize. Take out the saturation, pull up the lightness. Maybe add a little bit more contrast. File, save, file. Export as texture floor, and hopefully this will overwrite. Not sure if it will or not. This way I'll be able to see the color on the floor. Okay, that looks good. So I can see, but the intensity is not changing as far as I can tell. Where's light? Yeah, the intensity is not changing. Oh, I never did set it. Well, float F light intensity gets L light intensity. So can I just do L dot intensity gets F light intensity? See if that works. Okay, that looks pretty good. can actually see the light on my character. You really can't see the details of the light bulb. That's okay. I want to see if I turn down lighting settings. Well, why is that all? What's going on here? Environmental lighting color. Why do I still see color? Ambient color. I don't understand why I'm still seeing color. Should be completely dark. I really need to fix models, player, smooth out that forward direction. Shading, smooth, file, save. That should smooth out that nose there. Okay. Actually, it feels a little bit more natural with the joystick, I bet. That way you can leave it at an angle. With the key, you're either going left, right, up, or down. That'd be cool if it would just like drop you down to the next level. That would be really cool. Just go bloop, fall in a hole. Trapdoor. So why am I still seeing light? Is it because of the directional light? I bet it is. No light. Okay, now we're completely dark. Oh, that's cool right there. It's like all I can see is that. That's pretty friggin' neat right there. I still see some like light from the background. So now what I want to do is go in and on the player, I think I'm always going to have the player with a little bit of light shooting out of its eyes, but if you like turn on the booster lights, then that will drain your power faster. So I need like a little button for boost lights. That would be friggin' cool. Oh no, I don't want the model. That's one reason why it's good to capitalize all your prefabs, so you know the difference between the prefab and then the model. Because otherwise I would have started fooling around with the model instead of the prefab right there. So I want to add player light. And I want the spotlight. Yeah, that's what I need. So I'm going to call this headlight. Do I want to do 2? I'll just do 1. Pull it up. Rotate it downward. Player apply. Wow, you can hardly see anything there. It's like so dim. I thought it would have been brighter than that. Why do I still see? I don't know why I still see light there. Directional point. Spotlight. .88 intensity. Oh, that's good. 4. That's pretty cool right there. That's pretty freaking cool. So range 13, but then have it where you can extend the range. $12.88. Okay, that's good. So now I gotta see if I can copy component. Now I want to go back in the player. Drag the player out. Headlight. Paste component value. So it pasted that 12 and 88. And I forgot about the intensity 4. So that's a good reason to paste. So apply. I've never really done that much with lights in my games before. Just like little here and there, but I've never like made lights like an integral mechanic as a part of the game. It really adds that. That's a really cool looking light. It adds that mood or whatever feeling. So there's light bulb. Kind of interesting how my light interacts with the light bulb. This is pretty darn cool. So I should have it if you turn the light off, then you like recharge, maybe. I don't know. It's so hard to lose all your power. I need like traps so you can lose your power. Oh, I'm going so slow now. I'm running out of power. I love it. I feel like I'm in quicksand. Power is running out. That's the theme. Power is running out. I'm going to leave that word power there just so people can't say, oh, you didn't use power in the theme. It's like, it says right there, power. Yeah, it feels really good with the joystick. You can, like, swirl it around. It's like you start going really slow. Once you start running out of power. It's like, oh no, I can't move. 2, 1. Then it's like 0, the magic pixel. Splat. You're done. Although I can still move with game over. So on my key. So here's another one. Does the player collide with the key, or does the key collide with the player? I think the player collides with the key. Or maybe they both collide with each other. I think I do need to add a rigid body to the key, though. Private void on collision. Enter. If collision dot game object dot name equals red key debug log collected red key. It's not colliding. I think it needs a rigid body. Key. I'm just gonna freeze position and rotation. No. Is it called red key? Or is it just called key? Oh, it's called key red. Okay, so let's get rid of this. Remove. Key red. Key red. Red key. Woo! I'm falling. So destroy. I'm gonna go ahead and destroy here since I already have a handle on it. I don't have to go back and search for it again. Destroy the key red. So then I want to get, I think I'm going to do game object GOBJ level manager gets. Actually, I don't even need to do that. Game object find level manager dot get component level manager dot, so do collect key 0, which doesn't exist yet. So public void do collect key and I key. So keys collected I key gets true. Then I need to edit the ambient color. So the other thing I need to do, I don't know if I want to do it on every frame or, so I want to do if, or no, switch I key case 0 break game object dot find red key icon, which doesn't exist yet. Let me go back. Canvas. So I want to add an image, UI image, red key icon image. I need to make a, I can just use the picture that I created in GIMP earlier. But I need kind of like the outline though. So let me go to this layer, select all, disable that, delete. Wow. Merge down, delete. Then I want to take my black, okay, then I want to do select, no, how do you stroke selection? Stroke selection, say 2. Oh, that's 1024 by 1024, isn't it? It needs to be a lot bigger than that. Edit. Stroke. Let's do 10 maybe. That's good. Oh no, I didn't need the outsides too. Image. I'm not going to do a border. I'll just do it like this. 64 by 64. View. 100%. File. Save as. Key red icon. I'm gonna do just key icon. let's get this. So colors, brightness, contrast, brightness. Crap. Select all. Select. Invert. Edit, fill with foreground. File, export as. Key icon black. I don't want it in models though. Is it going to be textures or sprites? Call it sprites. Key icon black. So now I just want to grab this part. Colors, colorize, red, saturation, lightness, darkness. -26. Okay, file, export as key icon red. Colors, colorize. Green. Okay. File, export as, key icon green. Colors, colorize. Blue, saturation, turn down lightness. Okay, file. Export as, key icon blue. Export, go back to Unity, go into sprites, select all of these, texture type, sprite, 2D and UI. Go ahead and apply all that. So now they should be images. Go ahead and save this. Go into 2D view. Wow, why can't I move around? Canvas power text. There we go. Red key icon image. Red key icon. So I think I want to duplicate these. Duplicate, duplicate. Green key icon image. Blue key icon image. Red key, green key icon, blue key icon. Red key, let's duplicate. Key off icon image 1. Duplicate, duplicate. Key off icon image 2. Key off icon image 3. So let's place these guys. Let's see if I can. No. Why? This is 400 by 440. 440 by 440? Whoa. 400 by 400. 100 by 400. 440. 480. 500. Okay. Well, that's easy to remember. 400, 500. 600 by 400. So red key icon image. 400 by 400. Green 400 by 500 by 400. Blue key 600 by 400. Actually, these should be behind. If I can drag these up. Yeah, there we go. Oh, it disappeared. Yay. I need some more drink. Oh. That looks pretty good. I don't know why that doesn't move that one in front. It's like it doesn't respect Z ordering. 1, 2. Oh, I'm looking at this. 2 minus 2. I don't get that. Position Z just does not do anything. So red key, blue key, turn off image. Only thing is you're not going to be able to see those keys in complete darkness. So when you collect that key, find red key icon image dot get component image dot enabled gets true. Save. Ding. It's kind of creepy. I want a button where I can enhance the light. So what I really want to do is change to global lighting. Well, let's go ahead and add the other keys first. G key green, color green. B key blue, color blue. So in player, collision is key red, and do this. Go ahead and put an else in here. Else if collision key green. Let's go ahead and get rid of these debugs. Fine. Do key collect 1. If it's key blue, then do collect key 2. Level manager. So I need like a check winner. Private void check winner. If key collected keys collected 0 and keys collected 1 and keys collected 2, then is winner gets true, which I don't even know if that's I haven't defined that yet. Bool is winner gets false. Now here's the part where Playmaker would help. If is winner. F winner delay gets 5. Float F winner delay. If is winner F winner delay, subtract and assign time dot delta time. If F winner delay is less than or equal to 0, then reload level I level plus plus setup level I level. So I need to define reload level, which is fairly simple. Private void reload level. I forgot about like looping through the children. Wish there was a way just to. I could just destroy the room object, then create a new room object. game object gobj room gets game object dot find room. And I. For I gets gobj room dot transform dot get child. Dot get child count -1. I is greater than or equal to 0. I minus minus. Why is this complaining? Child count. Okay. Whatever. Child count. gobj room dot get child. I want to destroy that. Is winner gets false. F power that's in player. Is game just in case gets false. And let's set the keys. Red icon image enabled gets false. Green icon image, blue icon image. Green, blue. And that's reload level. So now I need to do case 1 and 2. One, two, green, blue. Okay. So I think that should have done it. This is going along pretty quickly. I may take a break here in a little bit. Come back later tonight. Finish this. I want to do the meter though. Hey, red, green, blue, winner. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It didn't reset. Oh, there it went. Oh no! Okay, I thought I lost everything there for a second. Save scenes. Save project. Winner. Duplicate. Level complete text. Level complete. So when you get the winner, going to find the winner text and enable it. Oh, that's the other thing I need to disable Winner text. Game over text. False. Level complete text. I need to change this. Level complete text. Save. I need some like enemies or hazards or something. I don't know how to do sparks or anything. Red, green, blue. It doesn't say level complete. Why doesn't it say level complete? Level complete text. Check winner. Is check winner being checked? Check winner only needs to be checked when you're picking up a key. Do collect key. Then we're going to check winner. Red, green, blue, level complete. Can destroy. Can't destroy the transform. Okay. Well, delete the game object then. Good grief. Get child dot game object. Okay, are you happy now? Are you happy now? Red, green, blue, yay. Did it already load the next level? I think it did. Duplicate, move it down. Level number text. Level question mark. So where's setup level? So text. Level number text. Get component text dot text gets level plus I level. I can do I level plus 1. Level 1. Ding, ding, ding. Level complete. Level 2. So if I just need to test if I do these out of order. So say I do blue, green, and red. Blue, green, red. Level complete. Woohoo! Now what I want to know is if I can change the ambient lighting, because that would be cool. Unity 3D change ambient light. Render settings. There it is. But this kind of like does away with the need of the flashlight. So, I don't know. Render settings? I've never used this before. Dot ambient light gets new color. So we're going to do... How are we going to do this? I wish these were like numbers instead of bools. Float R, float G, float B. Get 0, get 0, get 0. If keys collected 0, R gets 1. If keys collected 1, 2. G, B. 2. Ambient light, RGB. RGB. See how this works. Wonder if it's just going to be like blasting red. I could have let the ambient light go up and down. That would be kind of cool. Red. Ah! That's a little bit too much, I think. I don't know. Green. Blue. Well, it looks okay. I don't see any shadows. Window, lighting, settings. It's like way too bright, I think. Interesting that there's no shadows. I guess it's because I don't have a directional light. Or I could modify. Yeah, I think I should be modifying directional light instead. Instead of ambient light. Color, black. They just kind of wild there. But with ambient light, I actually get shadows. What's that by default? FF4D. F4, D6. What about D0, D0, D0? Okay. Game object not find. Directional light. Dot get component light. Let's do 0.8. Light L gets that L dot color gets new color RGB. Okay, so we're dark. I want to pick the green first. Green! Yay! Blue! Yay! Red! Woohoo! Oh, we need to set that back down to 0. So reload level. We want to set the light L dot color back to color dot black. So I also need to go in here. Here's my level. R. I'll put an R here. Oops. Put a G here. And a B down here. This is pretty cool. I think it's cool. Seems like the game almost needs like a subtitle because it's really not about Slowbot anymore. Red. Green. Blue. Yay. It's weird how the light can actually go through the wall. The level complete needs to go away. Green. The only bad thing about it's like once you pick up a light, then you can see everything. It really isn't even a puzzle anymore. Oh no, it's gonna puke. Yay. So now I need a game over screen. Save scene as title. Title menu. Scripts. Create. Title menu. Title menu. Add. Scripts. Title menu. If input.get key down, or no, get button down. Get button down. Fire one. Application load level. Game. Copyright. Copyright text. Crap. Copyright text. Game object. Copyright text. Don't destroy on load. Copyright text. (2017) Levi D. Smith. Change this to scale with screen 1920 by 1080. Copyright text. Make it bigger. Overflow. Overflow. Make it bigger. Let's go ahead and make it green. Green. Should be in the 2D view. There we go. I don't know why I can't move it. Why can't I select copyright text? I don't understand that. We're going to use these anchors. Move it over. Move it down. Yeah, I didn't know you could. Never thought about going to 2D view right there. It makes placing things a lot easier. Copyright text. I don't know if I need to put the whole canvas in Don't Destroy on Load or just the copyright text. Fire. Oh no. Okay. I actually want to go in here and do fire or jump. Can't remember if it's capital J or not. File, build settings, add open scenes, title. Crap. It'd be nice if you could just like add all scenes. It's like the dumbest thing. There we go. People aren't going to understand that. Why it turns yellow. I don't know if I should be modifying directional light or just like a spotlight over my character. It seems like modifying directional light gives a little bit too much away. It's like you can see everything. Oops. Call this winter. I think this is like the earliest I've ever had like a complete working game. Although there's a lot I can still add to it. Winter. Change this to winter menu. Scripts. Winter menu. Winter menu. Get rid of this. Scripts. Winter menu. Winter menu. Title menu. I want to check. Edit. Project. Input. Axes. Yeah, it is a capital J on jump. Press fire or jump. Application. Load level, title, save, save project, save scenes, file, save scenes. So I want scenes, title. Actually, the winner doesn't need my copyright. I'll just delete that. Save. I was going to go back and test spacebar. That works. Oh, I forgot to fix the level complete. Level manager. Now I forgot all the other ideas I was going to do. I need obstacles. Reload. Direction level complete. No, I just need to set this to false. I definitely want to have the power meter. I think I want to have like one big light over the key that just lights up that area, maybe. I don't know. But like getting that first light really helps out a lot. I think it kind of defeats the purpose after you get the first light. Because you can see everything. Am I on the level complete now? What scene am I in? What is it complaining about? Why am I still in level manager? No, I didn't correctly transition. Oops. If eye level is greater than text levels dot length count, so there's two levels. So level 0, then 1. If it's greater than or equal to, else setup level. Application dot load level winner. I think I'm gonna go walk at the park for a little bit and get out of the house. Come back in an hour or two, work some more on this. I didn't carry over my copyright text. Like, oh, is it up here? No, it's over there. Oh no. Why is it complaining now? Check. You shouldn't check for game over if you've won. Do my typical thanks for playing. Come on. Go. You restored all of the lights. Boy, I remember the days when you couldn't type more than one line into a text deal, a text area. Oops. Also need to add copy title. Pay. No, I need another canvas. Go ahead and set scale with screen size 1020 by 1080. Paste that. This canvas. Slowbot. I think it needs a subtitle. So I think I want to go to title menu and put the entire canvas in don't destroy on load. Okay, there we go. Yay. Why is it still failing? Level manager 179. Check game over. It's like one of these weird loop things. Look like a race condition thing. It's like check winner. Winner's true. Game object. Winner. But this may be called after this before winner is set. So really I need to fix it here because it keeps screaming. If GOBJ player does not equal null. I didn't put winner. That's another reason I didn't load winner into the stupid build settings. It's like, just put all the scenes in the build, unless I say I don't want the scene in the build. Why would you not want a scene in the build? Why? Why would you not want a scene in the build? And why can't I just say add all scenes? Like, if you didn't know which way to go, you would be lost. I want to get my drill out and make robot sounds. So it's still losing power. Slowbot. So does it go back to level? Yes, it does go back to level 1. It'd be cool if I could like set markers or like a light trail or something like that. So now it's yellow. A little bit wonky there. Oh well, that's 2 hours. I'm happy with what I did. I want to do a power meter a little bit later, and then maybe add some additional enemies or obstacles or hazards or things like that. I don't know what I want to do. I could do flames or something. I don't know. Anyway, appreciate everyone watching. I'll be back a little bit later.